Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So I have some short square tips here. I believe these are from BT Art Box, I believe. Not a fan of them. I think they're too short and too wide despite me fouling like crazy. I believe this is my third time using these, and not a fan of short square. And so I have a UV changing dip powder here from Color My World Dips. This is Change of Heart. It goes from a dark red to a light red. I thought it was a dark red to a light pink, but psych. And then I'm going to be using Color My World Dips Odorless dip liquids as well. And Color My World Dips is a shop on Etsy. I have a large collection of dips from this company, and I do love Amber's dips. And so I'm just trying to apply the dip base in as thin of a layer as possible, because with these nails being short, they do have a tendency to get bulky really fast. And I do apply these with adhesive tabs, and so you'll see exactly what I'm talking about with the short square nails being bulky. So hang out with me, and I'll also be back because we're going to do some chrome nail stamping as well. So I do 2 coats of color, activate, then I'll foul and buff off camera, and then I'll come back for some chrome nail stamping. So here are the nails after filing and buffing. And so I have a Maniology stamping plate. I think it's MXM, so it's a subscription box plate, 51. It has some kind of like netting on there, some floral flowers as well. Even though the color is red, you can kind of say this is sort of a subtle Valentine's mani, but you don't need a reason to wear red. You can wear red, or you can wear any color year round. And so I have a stamper that I don't really care that much about, and I'm using IGel Beauty's Mirror Red Chrome powder, and I'm going to take an eyeshadow applicator. I got these in a little bag off of Temu or Shein, one of those, and I'm using that applicator, and I'm going to apply chrome powder to the stamper head. Okay, and you can do this 2 ways. You can either pick the image up with that stamper head, or you can do what I'm getting ready to do coming up, and this is the method that I prefer, to place the chrome powder on the stamper head, and to get it off you can use a lint roller, or I have a sticky pad to get that off. And so I'm going in with Clear Jelly Stampers Sticky Black. You need a sticky stamping polish, and so I'm going in with Sticky Black, and I'm going to apply that to the plate, scrape, pick it up, place it on the nail. And one thing, I didn't get the side of the nail too well, because this was a small nail. These nails are so small. I think I'm going to try to use them one more time with gluing them on with nail glue to see if that makes a difference. I doubt it, but they're just too short and too wide, and then they look like they're sitting on top of the nail, which they kind of are. So I'm going in with the stamper head, and this is in real time. So I'm moving at a snail's pace, so you don't have to move like you're, Speedy Gonzalez. And so I'm placing the stamp image on the nail, just pressing and holding that just for a hot second or two. I'm sorry you can't see it. Well, there we go. And that's how slow I'm moving. And then I'm taking the stamper with the chrome powder and I'm just going to roll it on the nail. Now you may ask yourself, this kind of blends in with the nail, but it's real subtle. I like it. I also use a little brush to brush off any excess chrome powder. When you're doing chrome stamping, the nail needs to be matte or the chrome powder will stick up on the entire nail. So I'm going to do chrome stamping on the other two fingers with a different image. I have a plate, or a different image from a different plate, from I think this What's Up Nails. I thought I was going to use this plate and then I changed my mind. So the plate that I did use, there was some text on the plate and I used that to stamp on the ring finger and the index finger, and then I'm going to do chrome on top of that. And so this portion of the video is sped up. So after I get the stamping done, I go on with Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue because I have some like metallic like chrome hearts. I think came in like a Daily Charm subscription box that I used to get. I don't get it anymore, but I'm going to apply that to the cuticle area of the pinky and thumbnail, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I'm going to go in and apply gel top coat, Born Pretty's gel top coat to all nails, and cure for 60 seconds. So y'all, the next day I was trying to get these nails to turn a lighter shade of red. I thought it was pink at the time. I thought it was supposed to turn a light shade of pink, but that was not the case. So as I'm taking it out the lamp, you can see the color transition. It's a brighter pink, and then once I put the nails on my hand, it's a not brighter pink, a brighter red. Once I put the nails on my hand, it then turns back to a dark red, because dark is cold and the light is warm. And so I was just like, these are not changing, duh, because it goes from dark red to bright red. So coming up are all of the nails once cured. I thought they were cute. It's really subtle. I could have did that chrome stamping on all 5 nails. So I did apply some adhesive tabs to the nails and applied them on my hand. And so coming up is the finished look. Again, I don't like the short square tips, but it is what it is. I applied some cuticle oil as well. So guys, if you found value, please like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.